Hey, today I am going to do a quick tutorial with you and show you how to use Google Keep. So before I get started, right here is my website, and up here is my Twitter handle. So if you want to get a hold of me or see some other things that I'm doing, you can go check those out. And also, if you will go down and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Follow me to just click that bell so that you'll get notified every time I put out a new video. So here we are. I would like to get started with you with my little slideshow presentation on how to use Google Keep today. And let me get over where I need to be. And our planning stage is that I'm going to show you how to make a basic Google Keep. So for implementation, we are going to do three things. We're going to learn to customize Keep's color. We're going to make a Keep checklist, and we're going to learn to reset those checklists. But to get started, I'm going to have you come on over here and type keep.new up in your browser window. And I have already done that in this tab. So just like that, keep.new. And then let me get in there and hit return. All right, so now I'm going to shrink myself a little bit here, get me out of the way. You can kind of see in the background here, I have got three keeps already created, and so you kind of get an idea for what they look like. I'm going to come over in here. We're going to give this one a title, and we're just going to call this Test Keep. And I can write a note in here if I want. I can do all kinds of stuff. But what I wanted to show you, for one of the first things, was to give it a color. So you can see in the background there, I'm already using blue, green, and purple. So I'm going to pick a different color. How about we choose, let's go with this plum. No, let's go yellow. There we go. All right, so now I've picked my color. It was just that simple. I went and found the palette and clicked on it. I can do other things here too. I can set reminders. I can add people to my Keep so that more than one of us is using it. I can add images. I can archive it. And then let me click that so you can see. I can delete it, label it, add a drawing, make a copy, show checkboxes. And that was on our list of things to do. So let's go in here and show checkboxes. All right, so what it did, if you noticed, I now have a plus, which means I can add items, and I can list items. So let's just call this item 1. And now I want to hit that plus. I can do item 2. Let's go one more, just so you have enough that you can see. All right, so I've given it a color. I have now created my checkboxes, and I'm going to close this now and scroll down, and here is my new Test Keep. So as I'm working, I can check it off. So item 1 is done. Let's say item 3 got done, and now item 4 is done. All right, now I need to reset it. And here we go. Uncheck all items right there. and now it's set to go. So if this was a checklist that I used every day, like I do for, like this is my power list of the things that I do in my job every day. So I can just check these things off as I do them. And I do this and that. Let's say that's all I get done that day, but I want to reset it for the next day. I just come in here and uncheck all items. It's really that simple. So this is how to set up a basic Google Keep. Super simple, super easy. Color code it, you know, put in the items that you need and use it and reset it every day. And so that's your tip for today. And that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for being with me. I'm Bobby Grenier right here. And there's my website. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I'm up there. And also, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so that you get notified. Until next time, bye.